Mother, look. We chose an egg for the baby.
Ah, that looks like the perfect one.
I let Luke choose. Thank you, Jace.
Not every day an egg leaves the dragon pit, Princess. I thought it best to escort the lads.
Lena and I thank you, Commander.
Another boy, I heard. What a fine night you're going to make, eh? Might I?
Sir Harwin wishes to be introduced to Joffrey.
Of course. Joffrey, is it? Mm-hmm.
Father, please may I hold Joffrey?
No, no, no. Back to the dragon pit for you two.
Come on.
Or they send out a search party.
Sleep in front of the commander of the city watch. Terrible lack of respect.
A certain insolence runs in the family, I'm afraid.